Alright, so this is my local Goodwill. See if I can find any goodies to resell on eBay. So look these up. Cool little canvas Nikes. Definitely mispriced at $2.99, but I'll take advantage of that. To look him up, see. Ruxpin. It's actually might not be too bad. The listed comps for these pianos were all over the place, so always make sure that you check the sold comps. I know most of you check the sold comps, but there are a lot of people out there that just do a search and they see what the actual listed comps are. So this is $30–40 at this Goodwill, and probably only sell for 40 or 50 bucks, so not a good buy. That is brand new. Faucet and drain for $4.99. That's pretty good, actually. So $7.79. This is a replacement Ninja carafe or coffee carafe. It's got the sealed lid on it. This actually might be worth looking up. These replacements usually go for pretty good. Sometimes $30–40. So I'll look this up here in a second. $2.99. Don't remember what this hammered pattern is. I'll have to look this one up, but I'm pretty sure this is good. For $2.99 for a set of, looks like 16 knives. That's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Oh, this is good. Cross stainless steel basket strainer for your sink.
$15.
Found the bowls for the Cafe Americana. Which are underneath that big bowl. Listed, see what solds are, no exact matches. So there's the Sea Life, which I'm almost sold out of that. I bought last week. Jeez, $28.99 just for the appetizer plates, set of 4. Well, apparently these aren't as popular. Melamine. Very interesting. So these these are melamine bowls. This Lacado. If you guys ever see this brand, I mean, as you can see here by the comps, they're fairly valuable. This rooster is probably the most popular. If you ever find that out and about, those are the ones that go for high dollar. The rooster. Yeah, see, there's a set of 6 bowls. There's this similar bowl, melamine, for looks like they took an offer, and then $34.99. So this is only $4.99. So I'll probably take a chance on this to just list it and get it out there. But Lacado, definitely something to look out for. There's one for $10, $8.50. 10.5. Actually, let's see, there's 82 listed. Oops, didn't want to click on that. 82 listed. Let's see what solds are. Only 20 sold. So there's a set of 12 for $65. And this is 5 of them. Set of 5 for $26.90. That's not bad. 10.5 inch. Set of 2 for $8. So $26.90, and these are $7.79. So what do we think? $14 shipping. Is that worth it? So probably around $15 profit. I don't know. It's such a pain to ship plates. I don't know if $15 is worth it or not. I think I'd pass on these. If it was closer to like 40 or 50 for a set of 5, then I'd do it, but I'm not gonna do it. Too much. This is a 2016 version, but still sells pretty decent for 50 bucks. Not bad. See if this works. Okay, our plug somewhere over here. Looks like it works pretty good. Not bad. Cool. All right, not too bad. I spent almost $100 today. Let's see, is it 96 bucks? I rounded up. I think it was only like 3 cents rounding up, but got all that for 100 bucks. Not too shabby. The plates, I think, are probably going to be the best. That Cafe Americana plates and bowls, and then that cool Christmas thing. But all in all, I think we had some good finds. Let's get home and get these things listed.